Welcome, in front of me is UMIDIGI G5 tablet, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your password. So if you forgot the password that you used the last time you entered your tablet, take your time and try to remember it, as it might save you a lot of time in the future and also save your personal information and data stored on your device. If you really can't remember the password, the best solution would be to contact UMIDIGI Customer Support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access without the need of removing any data stored on your device. And if this doesn't sound like an option for you, you can still solve the problem by performing a factory reset operation, which will erase everything from your device but will surely help you recover the access to your device again. And you can perform this operation both remotely, if you have your Google account connected to this device, and locally. So if you want to perform the operation remotely, you have to enter Find Hub service by Google, log into with your Google account that is connected to this tablet, and select Erase all data in the tablet section in order to perform a factory reset operation. And if you want to perform this operation locally, then you have to use recovery tools on your device, and if you don't know how to access them or you need some help on the way, then you can go ahead and watch the entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this tablet step by step, so that you don't get lost and will surely do everything right and won't miss anything. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.